Today we're going to change the oil on this 2008 Honda CRF230L. The drain plug is right down at the bottom of the crankcase here. It seems to be a 24mm socket. It fits that pretty well. Still pretty hot. Now there's a strainer in behind the drain plug and the spring, so it kind of has a tendency to almost fly out. You kind of want to pay attention to which way it's in there. Boy, that is hot. There's the spring. So that's how they came out. This is a little strainer, spring, drain plug, so it goes in like this. Okay, now this holds right around a quart, so it really doesn't take very long to drain out. Oil pump suction. The oil pump also has a centrifugal filter on its outlet. You're also supposed to replace this O-ring each time you change the oil according to the manual. I don't have any of those, so this one's going to be the manual does have a torque spec for this. I mean, you could use a torque wrench on it, but I'll just go with the old German torque spec Gutentite. Okay, so this oil has been in here for about 50 miles. This has about 100 miles on it right now. Doesn't look too bad. It looked a little dark coming out, but so. Alright. And now we're ready to put the fresh oil in. So I just like to wipe off around the filler hole here. No sense getting mud right down in the fresh oil. Alright. Dipstick. Lay that down here. And then we take our trusty CRF230L funnel, put that in the fill hole. And today we'll be using this Shell Rutella T. This is commonly diesel oil, but it works well in a lot of motorcycles, like this one with a wet clutch, because it doesn't have any friction modifiers in it. Right around a liter to a quart in here. I'm going to check this level regularly because I don't want to overfill. Okay, that was about a half liter so far. A little more to go. Right around a liter, so we're almost there. That should just about do it. Alright, now we'll get the bike level. We'll check the oil level. Okay, and on this model, you simply this in, do not thread it in, and withdraw, and right there, right on the full mark. Okay. And that's about it.